Okay, so here we are looking at forefoot deformities, common forefoot deformities that we would see in the clinic. And here we have Ellie's foot, toes obviously, and the first thing we're going to really talk about is a bunion. Now, a bunion is really a slow dislocation of a joint, and it's typically the big toe joint, which is right here. But you can actually get a bunion of the little toe. It's called a tailor's bunion. So when we look here at Ellie's toe, she clearly doesn't have a bunion, but she does have a small area here that's slightly enlarged, and that's often a sign of some degenerative joint disease. So I don't think Ellie's got arthritis yet, but there is definitely some wear and tear within this joint. Back to the bunion though, when we see bunions, essentially what it is, as we said, is a slow dislocation of the big toe joint. And what you'll see is the toe starts to deviate to the lateral aspect of the foot, this being the lateral aspect. So then what happens is you'll end up with a rather large bump through here. The toe will move, and then often when it's quite a severe deformity, the lesser digits will start to retract back to make way for the toes, so the deformity progresses even further. So that obviously is an issue for footwear in general, but especially nice designer shoes, because you have an enlarged joint here, and often there's straps over this area, the toe box is often enclosed and it simply doesn't fit. And if the toe joint with the bunion gets too much irritation, you are prone to getting another condition called bursitis. Your big toe joint has a bursa, which is a fluid-filled sac that sits over the joint, and if that's irritated too much, the bursa will puff up. So not only do you have a bunion, which is that dislocation of the joint, but you have an enlarged bursa, again making it really difficult to fit it into your designer footwear.